Uh, Hi guys, let's start simplify the nested rows. We know the nth root of a to the power of m is equal to a to power of m over n, and a power of m raised to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. So we write 49 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 half to the power of 1 third to the power of 1 fifth, and all to the power of 3. We simplify. So we have 49 to the power of, we write in the denominator 2 times 3 times 5, and in numerator 5 times 3. Then we simplify the expression. Simplify again. 49 to the power of 1 half. Uh, Therefore, the final answer is 7. If you liked this post, please like and comment. Thank you.